Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to disable mail app notification badges on iPhone running iOS version 14.2. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So you can see guys, here I have this mail app and you can see I have this notification badges showing. So let's disable that. So for that what you need to do, you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and also let me show you guys first that I have iOS version 14.2 installed on this iPhone device. So let me tap on this general, and then let me tap on this about, and you can see guys here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.2 installed on this iPhone 10R. So let me go back again. So in order to disable mail app notification badges on iPhone, what you need to do, you have to open your settings app. And after that, guys, you have to tap on this notifications. So let me tap on this. And after that, guys, you have to come to this notification style section and you have to find mail over here. So let me find the mail. So here I have this mail. So you have to tap on this to open it. And after that, guys, you have to, come to this option badges. You can see currently I have this toggle enabled. So you have to disable this toggle. So just tap on this toggle next to this badges and move this slider to the left in order to disable that. So let me tap on this and you can see it's now disabled. After that, you can close your settings app. So let me close that. And if I go to my mail app, you can see I don't have any notification badges showing. So it's now done, guys. So that's it. In this way, you can easily disable mail app notification badges on iPhone running iOS version 14.2. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.